Last year, I turned my old bedroom from this into the best gaming setup that I'd ever made. But ever since I moved out, that setup now looks like this. Now, don't get me wrong, in my new apartment, I've built some crazy setups, but not one has ever came close to looking good as that original one. So today I have a mission to remake that entire gaming setup in my new apartment, but this time, make it even better than the first one, which might be a little bit tricky to do considering my current setup looks like this.
Look at this cable management that I've got to sort out. Oh my God.
So we better get started.
So I'm basically gonna have to rearrange this entire setup. Right, let's just start taking everything apart. This is so heavy.
The first thing to do to transform the setup was to first clear it out. And once that was done, it was time to replace the white desk with one that would fit the new theme.
I used to have this wooden one here, but it's just too wobbly, it's too small. It doesn't support what I need. So I had a look on IKEA. Right, so first of all, I want 2 of these Alex drawers. And then some of my friends recommended me this, the IKEA Carvey, but it's £229. Altogether, it cost nearly £400. Plus an extra 40 for delivery. Yeah, I'm not paying that. Let's click and collect.
So off to IKEA I went, but when I got there, I realized I might have made a little bit of a miscalculation.
Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna fit in my car. Chairs are gonna need to come down for this. Oh my God, this actually might not fit. Maybe if I take this off, I can push this up more. So I've pushed it in as far as I can get it in. Just about managed to get it in. I don't know if that's gonna work, but come on. Yes, I got it in. Still gotta put in these though. This is gonna be the most uncomfortable drive of my entire life. I got this into my shoulder. This is my view from where I'm driving from. The drive back home is an hour as well. I did not expect the table to be this long. Got a little armrest here. It's gonna be hopefully a nice relaxing drive.
And you know what? For about 50 minutes, it was. Until I heard a crack.
Oh my, guys, I've had to stop because I'm literally 7 minutes from home. And then I just heard a crack in the windscreen. Oh my God, I need to get out. I need to get out of the car. I'm about to pull over. Oh my word, holy shit. Look, there's a crack. I'm 7 minutes from home. And that has just happened. I genuinely cannot believe this has happened to me.
I should have just paid the £40 for delivery.
Yeah, I'm not paying that. Let's click and collect.
Anyways, I got back home, made the journey up 5 flights of stairs because the lift didn't work.
Oh my God, this is so heavy. I think it's too big. Oh my God.
And now it was time to build it.
I gotta admit though, I hate building IKEA furniture. And there is one done, and here's the second one. So now I have to use all my strength. Oh my God, this is so heavy. Oh, now that this big desk is on here, I can't lie, I really do like it. But there's still a few things I want to change in here. For example, this entire wall art needs to be taken off the wall. I feel like I could match that wall with this wall and just make the entire thing nice and grey. I feel like I might paint these grey as well.
So I bought some grey paint and some sound panels, but before I used them, there was one more thing I needed to do. You see, I recently made the decision to buy a 49-inch monitor, and I can't lie, when I put it on the new desk,
Everything's going wrong.
there wasn't a lot of space. So I looked for a monitor arm that would be able to hold it up, and the cheapest one that I could find that would be able to hold the weight was £287. My bank account is actually in ruins.
Look at the size of this monitor stand. I need 2 clamps. That's how big this thing is. Oh, this doesn't look dodgy at all. Stick in this, stick in that. Now I gotta hook this on. Please don't fall, please don't fall, please don't fall, please don't fall on me now. So all I've really done is I've spent 300 quid to raise this a little bit more so I can see this desk and for the monitor to be a bit further back. That's money well spent.
Anyways, now that most of the furniture had been built, it was finally time to start adding the themes of the original room.
Now, unfortunately, I can't paint on these walls because my landlord would kill me. But something that I have already done is covered it in these foam panels. So basically, all I need to do is cover this entire wall with these. Now, to be able to do that, you're going to need a lot of foam panels, which luckily I have got. And we're done. Look at how big this part is. Oh God, the camera's gonna fall. Look at all these that I've done though, man. Literally the sun is going down because of how long I've spent on this. And now I've got to put them up as well, man. This is gonna take all night.
You know what? It probably was gonna take all night, but I wasn't gonna let this stop me. This room was gonna look amazing. I could just see it.
And just like that, the entire room is now covered in foam panels. It should sound better in here as well. Like, there should be hardly any echo.
Next thing I needed to do was paint the drawers.
It may have taken all night, but look how good they look. To be honest, just look at how good the room looks right now, and we're not even done yet. Now, to get that warm feel in the room, we need to add these tungsten light bulbs. Let's add one here, add one here, add one here, and add one here. We also need some more plants. Oh my God, you can go here. You can put this one here, this one here, this one here, and this one here. And one more wooden table, wooden themed Alexa. Let's make the PC orange, new desktop wallpaper, and obviously no setup is complete without a mini mini fridge.
And just like that, the setup was now complete. But before I show you the before and after and how well it compares to the original setup, I just want to say I put a lot of hard work and effort into this. So if you guys could drop us a follow and hit that like button, that would be massively appreciated. But anyway, here is the final results.
This is exactly how I wanted it, just like my old office. This room took so much work, man.
So much work, in fact, that it's even more than what I put in my last setup video, which was doing my girlfriend's setup, which is another great video that you should definitely go watch now.